Welcome to Tehran! Morning, well, not really, good afternoon. I have arrived in Tehran last night and it's a little bit difficult for me to vlog, not because of regulation, but it's a total new country that I've never been to. And while I would love to shoot everything, the past few hours I've just been people watching to actually see and observe a little bit. I'll try my best to include everything or even vlog. I have tried to research what sort of videos that is interesting to show. Okay, probably highlights of every cities, but also just a casual vlog to show what's the real situation in Iran, like how is like daily life, the culture, food, or what's people interest, what they're doing on daily basis. So it's weird still, like vlogging yourself, and especially, I mean, if it's in Asia or in China, I'll be alright. But this is a country where not a lot of foreigners even come here, so yeah, we'll see. I just got off from a bus and it's quite interesting because women sat on the back, so it's separated. But if you are going with a husband, then you can actually sit on the row of the male section. I'm just really observing. Everything looks a bit old, probably due to its sanction, but yeah. So as my first day, I've just been having I don't know what it is, but it's just trying to get the feeling of Tehran, I guess. And first impression, traffic is crazy. Let me show you what happened. First impression to I've only been here for a day, so I can't really say anything too much. But I've seen pride in every Iranian, the way they walk, the way they bring themselves. I'm just enjoying my time being in a country that I've been wanting to visit. This is the real Tehran. I hope you had a great day, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye!